everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you are here. Today we are doing a front porch styling and an easy, simple wreath DIY, as you can see that I'm doing right now. I literally just took two branches, the acorns and the pretty blue leaves, and then I'm adding this cream and navy bow to the wreath. I picked up this wreath at Michael's the other day and it gave me some fun inspiration. I share how to make bows in my shorts and in other videos as well. You can also head to my Instagram where I have tutorials on that also. But once again, this was my inspiration for the entire video. I hope you really like it. I wanted to keep it simple and natural, and same with the front porch as well. So we started today with just layering the front porch with a rug, and then I brought in my furniture that I had cleaned and wiped off and got fall ready. Once again, this is navy, gray, and orange. These are the color themes for this front porch makeover, and I hope you enjoy. Now for the fun part. I brought out these fun orange pillows that I had from last year. I thought they'd add a little touch of glam and really bring that orange pop that I wanted onto the porch. I then brought up my lanterns that I just filled with some pumpkins that were on a branch. I like the clear look, and a spray painted pumpkin. Nothing like greeting your guests with a fun doormat for fall styling. I chose this really simple one that said hello to tie in the gray and the theme that I already had. Welcome everyone. I was able to add in some fun garland to bring out the orange, as you can see here. And then with the simple hook that I made, I placed the wreath on the door. Nothing like greeting someone with a beautiful wreath. This wreath ties in all the orange and the navy and the creams, and I just love it, and I hope you loved it too. I hope you enjoyed today's front porch styling. It was super simple using items I almost already had. And you can see that cute little succulent pumpkin in the back. I did a reel on that. You can check that out on my Instagram. Now you can really see the garland where I was able to tie in some of the navy leaves. Once again, I am so happy that you have come back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this front porch styling. It was super simple, but I'm thrilled with it. You know, it doesn't matter the size of your house or the size of your porch. You can always bring some fun festivities into it. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.